Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a photo collage on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to your app library and search for shortcuts. This is a built-in application of iPhone. And then you're going to click on this plus icon at the top right. Here, you're going to name your shortcut. For example, I'm going to name it to Collage Maker. Simply type it down. After that, you're going to click on this tick icon. And here, you'll be able to see search actions. Click on search actions and first you're going to search for select photos. Simply type in select and click on select photos. Here you're going to click on this arrow and then you can simply toggle this button on in order to select multiple photos. And then you're going to search for another action that is combine. Simply type in combine and click on combine images. And you can select what kind of collage you want. For example, horizontally, vertically, or in a grid. I'm going to go with in a grid. And then you're going to click on search actions again and search for save and then click on save to photos. Here you can simply select the location where you wish to save. You can go back and click on collage maker. You can simply select any photos that you wish to create a grid. For example, I'm going to click on these 6 photos and then click on this check mark. After that, you'll be able to see that there is a check mark. That means that the collage has been made. Simply head over to your photos. And you'll be able to see that the collage has been created. And that is how you can make a photo collage on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.